8 years after I found the body of George Mallory, the circle is complete. A few hours before the monsoon closed in, Leo and I summited Mount Everest. And we have shown that these could have been Mallory and Irvin's final footsteps.
Is this the summit crowning the day? How cool and how quiet. Have we vanquished an enemy? None but ourselves?
Every day I look beyond the endless sky and see you smile. Every night I dream that you are by my side. In 1,000 frozen moments I have stared into your eyes, brought you with me. All these miles I have climbed, I brought you with me. On the edge of heaven I will wait for you. On the edge of heaven find me there. On the edge of heaven stand with me, my dear, and you will feel the end of time, and you will feel